Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 8949 using the EASY method. This form is crucial for reporting capital gains and losses from selling assets like stocks or bonds. The EASY method is applicable when your brokerage firm reports the cost basis of your transactions directly to the IRS. This significantly streamlines the process for many investors, making tax season a bit less daunting. We will walk through each step to ensure your filing is accurate and straightforward. To begin, gather your essential tax documents, specifically your Form 1099-B from your brokerage. This form is vital as it details all your sales of capital assets for the tax year. Crucially, ensure that Box 3 on your Form 1099-B is checked. This indicates that your cost basis was reported to the IRS, which is a prerequisite for using the EASY method. Having this document ready will make the next steps much smoother. Now, let's move on to completing Form 8949 itself. You will transfer the information directly from your Form 1099-B. Use Part 1 for short-term transactions and Part 2 for long-term transactions. Enter the sales price in column D and the cost basis in column E for each transaction. For the EASY method, the adjustment amount in column G will typically be 0, simplifying your entries considerably. Finally, after entering all your transactions, sum up your total gains and losses on Form 8949. These totals are then transferred to Schedule D, Capital Gains and Losses. Remember to attach both your completed Form 8949 and Schedule D to your federal income tax return. Before submitting, take a moment to carefully review all your entries for accuracy. This ensures a correct and hassle-free filing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.